Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with a new video. In this video we will discuss from chapter 15 about Python deque. So let's get started. In Python, the collections module provides a deque, which means double-ended queue implementation, which is a versatile and efficient data structure. A deque allows fast insertion and deletion from both ends, making it suitable for use cases where items need to be efficiently added or removed from the beginning or end of a sequence. Alright, let's see some basic operation. First we will know about how to create deque. You can create a deque using the deque constructor. As you can see here, our deque has been created. Now we will know about appending and popping from the right. Appending and popping from the right, items can be added to the right end of the deque using the append method and removed using the pop method. Let's see the example. Let's execute it. Sorry, something went wrong. Alright, now we will know about appending and popping from the left. Appending and popping from the left, similarly, items can be added to the left end using append left, and removed using pop left. Let's execute it. As you can see here. Now we will know about how to access elements. Accessing elements, you can access elements in a deque using indexing, just like a list. Now we will know about rotating elements. Rotating, the rotate method allows you to rotate the deque to the right or left by a specified number of steps. Let's see the example. Here you can see our output. Now we will know about how to clearing deque. Clearing, the clear method removes all elements from the deque. Here you can see the deque has been cleared. Now we will know about length of deque. Length of deque, the built-in len function can be used to get the length of the deque. So the conclusion is, the deque module provides a flexible and powerful tool for various scenarios where efficient insertion and deletion at both ends of a sequence are required. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching the video, see you in the next video. Please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.